Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Good. We already learned our first chapter. So, today we are going to learn our second chapter. Chapter name Roman numerals. Chapter name Roman numerals.
Today, let us revise and understand more about Roman numerals. We know that the ancient Romans used letters to write numbers. Even today, the building date on monuments and public buildings is marked in Roman numerals, and we also use Roman numerals in clocks and watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. The symbol I is equal to 1. V is equal to 5. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500. And M is equal to 1000.
Okay, then we already heard Roman numerals were developed by Romans many years ago. We already heard Roman numerals were developed by Roman many years ago. Okay, then the Romans used only 7 symbols to form numbers. The 7 symbols to form numbers. So, look at these symbols. The symbol I is equal to 1, the symbol V is equal to 5, the symbol X is equal to 10, the symbol L is equal to 50, the symbol C is equal to 100, the symbol D is equal to 500, and last one the symbol M is equal to 1000. The symbol M is equal to 1000. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, these 7 symbols are used to create numbers. Next, we need to remember some rules. We need to remember some rules while writing Roman numerals. Okay, first one, a symbol is represented twice or thrice. A symbol is represented twice or thrice. Its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Okay, for example, alphabet I is equal to 1. Is it? Yes. Okay, then I and I. Then what is the number? What is the number? We know 1 into 2 is equal to 2. The number 2. This is the number 2. Or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Is it? I is equal to 1 into 2 or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Is it? I means the number 2. Then next one, I. Then what is the number? What is the number? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. The number 3. Is it? Yes. Then 1 into 3 or 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Is it? 1 into 3 is equal to 3 or 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. So, this is the number 1. Then I is the one number 2. Then this is the number 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Then another example. X represented Yes, very good. The number 10, is it? The number 10. Okay, so the number 10. X is the number 10. Okay, then X, 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 X. What is the number? What is the number? The number 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, very good. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Is it? Then next one, 10 X, X, X. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay. Then or 10 into 1 is equal to 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Then how to write this? 10 into 3. Very good. 10 into 3 is equal to 30, or 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Then next one, the symbol I, X, C and M. The symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Can be repeated 3 times at a maximum. So, for example, we can write I as 1. I as 1. Is it? Yes, I as 1. Then I, yes, 2. Then I is equal to 3. Is it? Then how to write 4? How to write 4? Then in Roman system we write I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. Okay. Then how to write 4? We cannot write I. We cannot write I. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. All of you understand? So, we write I, X, C and M. We can be repeated 3 times only. Can be repeated 3 times only. Cannot repeat 4 times. Cannot repeat 4 times. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Then the next one. The symbol V, L and D. The symbol V, L and D are never repeated. That is symbol 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. That is 10 is written as 10 is written as X, not V. V means 5. Is it? Yes. So, 10 is written as X. 10 is equal to X. We cannot write V. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Then next one, 100 is written as the symbol C. 100 is written as the symbol C. Cannot write L. Cannot write LL, not LL. Is it? L means 50. L is equal to 50. Is it? 10 is equal to X, not VV, and 100 is equal to C, not LL. Okay. All of you understand? Okay, very good. Then the next one. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of a higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. For example, For example, xi. Then what is the number? What is the number? So, first one x. X means 10. Then 10 plus I. 10 plus I 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. The number 11. So, this is represented. Yes, very good. The number 11. xi is represented to 11. Is it? Then another one. Then what is the number? What is the number? V represented in, yes, 5. Then plus next number I 1 plus 1 plus 1 is yes, very good. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. The number 8. So I is equal to 8. The number 8. All of you understand? Is it? Yes, very good. Then the next one. Next one, if a symbol of a smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. We subtract the smaller value from the higher value. All of you understand? Let us take the number. For example, let us take the number. Let us take the number ix. The number ix. So, what is the number? What is the number? So, smaller value, yes, I. The smaller value I and the greater value 10. So, we subtract the number. So, first we write higher value. What is the higher value? X means 10. Then minus subtract 10 subtract I is equal to 1. So, what is the number? 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 10 subtract, is it? This is subtract 10 minus 1 is equal to, yes, the number 9. So, ix is represented in 9, the number 9. Okay? All of you understand? Okay, very good. Then next one, x and L. We know x is equal to 10, L is equal to 50. So, first we write greater number. First we write greater number. So, the greater number 50. 50 subtract 10. 50 subtract 10. Then what is the number? The number 40. The number 40. Is it? All of you understand? Okay, very good. Then the next one, the number V and L, and D cannot be subtracted from any number. The number V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Okay. V is equal to 5. Then next number L. L is equal to 50. And the another number D. D is equal to 500. Is it? 500. These numbers cannot be subtracted from any numbers. Okay? All of you understand? Okay, very good. Then that is for today. This is our second chapter, Roman numerals. This is very simple. So, all of you read your textbook carefully, and I will give you some homework for tomorrow. All of you take your textbook and page number 91, exercise 1. That's your homework.
Rule of repetition. 1. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M is equal to 1000. MM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. MMM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. 2. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, we can write 1 as I, 2 as I, and 3 as I in Roman system, but we cannot write 4 as I. 3. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. This means that we do not write the number 10 by repeating V, but as X. Now, let us look at the second rule. Rule 2. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us consider xi. X has a value of 10. I has a value of 1. So, the Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman number is 11. Finally, we have the third rule. Rule 3. Rule of subtraction. 1. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, let us take the number xc. X has a value of 10 and C has a value of 100. So, xc will be 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 2. The symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. For example, 95 cannot be written as 100 minus 5 is equal to VC. 95 should be written as 90 plus 5 is equal to X.
So, thank you.